how to take burst shots on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. From here, tap on the control button. Then tap on settings. In camera settings, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on camera assistant. Next, scroll down and tap on swipe shutter button to H2 and make sure take burst shot is selected. Then we tap on the back key. Now all you have to do is simply swipe on the shutter button like this. You start taking burst shot. Now when you swipe, make sure you swipe and then hold. Don't let go of your finger. And the burst shot allows you to take up to 100 photos. Here, tap on it, you will be able to view the burst shot. On the corner here, if you tap on it, you'll be able to select which is your main picture for the burst shot. And then tap on this icon here. So here, we tap on that and then tap on this icon to set as the main image or as a burst shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.